The essence of this experience, 21, is that we will go into an experiential way to further a call onwards. And actually, these steps that I'm describing now, you will be given an opportunity to actually do in each of experiences 21 to 30. So here's the process, the stages of the process. Breathe deeply a few times. I'll be inviting you to take the breath in, and as you take the breath in, you will be taking in the healing of the universe. And then imagine it going through your body, bringing goodness, good experiences, good qualities to all the parts of your body. And then as you breathe out, see it collecting the toxins to release back into the universe, which will then be transformed. And I'll be inviting you to breathe deeply a few times until you have a quiet space within, because that is what happens. And then when you have your quiet space within, I'll be inviting you to release a question in your deeper self and to let a phrase that I will be reading to you, a phrase for what would be an answer to this question, resonate in your being. And then I will be inviting you to let what resonates with you express itself in body movements. And then, as the phrase and the movement become one, and the movement actually takes over, I will be inviting you to allow your body to exaggerate the movement. And then I will be inviting you to let the feelings generated by the exaggerated movements come to a pose. And then there'll be an invitation to you to set the phrase and the pose in your sensory memory. Now, I know from practice that these steps are a way to open ourselves to the wisdom within us, which is available to us through emotional intelligence. This kind of information is not available through analysis in our head. And our culture does not invite us to engage emotional intelligence in this way. It's something that we have to decide to make the space for it to happen. And so, in this first experience of this set that I just gave, we will be looking at healthy qualities that are in our sanctuary of soul that we may not be aware of yet. So in your being, release the question, what would I like more of? And just listen quietly as you're standing and releasing that question to this set of phrases. Dignified poise, focused diligence, gracefully precise, deliberate focus, permission to play, laugh at myself, composed and calm, patient with myself, inner grace, take myself lightly, like myself as I am, being balanced, upright and noble, effortless confidence, calm acceptance, unhurried. Now, if one of those has stayed with you, let it resonate. If none stayed with you, choose either unhurried or dignified poise. Or perhaps another one arose for you. So armed with one phrase, let that resonate in your being. And as it resonates, let your body take up movement to express the feelings that are with that phrase. Let the movement just happen so that the phrase and the word become one. And when the movement has become flowing, exaggerate the movements, using height and depth and force and lack of force, gentleness and flow. Exaggerate the movement so that the movement gets more of your awareness than the word, but they are still united. And when the time is right for you, come to a pose which gathers together an expression of the feelings that you've just experienced. And now set in your sensory memory your pose and your phrase. And so there are ways in which you can use this phrase and pose. You could repeat it after today. You could repeat it when you feel bereft inside, or when you feel that you need something to give you a little oomph. You could go down the list and go over the exercise again.